In version 18 of Timer Pro, we added the capability that when you generate standard work inside Timer Pro from your balances or from the video analysis, it will automatically digitize that standard work and create a copy that you can use to present to the people on the floor on any device, a phone, a tablet, or their PC. This is an example of an entire process that's been digitized. Here we have the summary sheet. We can bring this up. Click on the work instructions here. It will present to you the work instructions summary that was developed for this particular process. So after the summary sheet, then these are the individual steps. So we can click on one of these steps here. It will bring up the work instruction for that particular step in the process, plus show you all the video content. These are each of the activities performed in this step here. I click on this. Again, it presents that sheet for that particular step to you. And by digitizing it, what I mean is we know the top left-hand corner and the bottom right-hand corner of each activity. So that's number 1, the top left of number 2, the bottom of number 2 over here, and so on. And what this means, if you have it on your phone or on your tablet or your PC, you just double click with the mouse, it will take you right to that piece of video, and you can play that video. You can navigate back, pick any activity, scroll down here, you want to see step number 5, double click here, it will find number 5. So by digitizing it, what we've done is we know the XY coordinates that have been generated in your process. If you add pictures and so forth, like you see here, you would republish it to get the new digitization values, and then we're able to play the items by just by double clicking on them anywhere. Now here are all your tasks here, so you can navigate through them. So here I'm number 1, you see video 1 here, apply the decals. It moves on to the next one, which is number 2, and click the next button, go to number 3, next button, go to number 4, and so on. So this allows you to navigate back and forward throughout your processes. You also have access to the links, repeats, and the share capabilities in the Timer Pro web services. The nice thing about the capability of generating a digital version of your work instructions, it can be applied to all legacy work instructions you have. So you've been using Timer Pro for many years, you can take the content you've already got and simply just digitize it by running through the process once.